Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove duplicates in Excel rows. So let's start. This is my Excel and you can see here I have a data. So in this data there are some duplicates entry here showing. You can see in cells ID 301, again 301, 302, 302. So these are the some duplicate rows in this data. So this row I'm going to remove it. Simply select inside the cell of this data and use the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the entire data. After that, go to the Data tab. In Data Tools group, have a Remove Duplicate option. Just click on it and here you see the duplicates, Remove Duplicates dialog box is open. Okay. In this box, you can see in the column list is showing. Here, drag below and you can check the all column list. These column lists which are available in your data. Okay, so here you can select here have a two options, select all and unselect all. When you click on the unselect all, the all columns will unselect. After that you can select the particular column those you want to remove the duplicates data. Okay, and if you want to remove this all column, just simply click on select all option and here you see the all column list is selected. After that, to remove the duplicate row, just click on OK and that's it. Your duplicate row is removed. 25 duplicates values found and removed. 25 unique values remain. Note that the counts may include empty cells and space, etc. And click on OK and that's it. Here you can see now the duplicate cell ID is not showing. The all duplicate rows is removed here. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.